Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everyone. Dear Miss Fitriana, as a lecturer in English classes and happy friends. We are from Group 5. Now we are going to present our material about factors that influence the level of student activeness in the class environment. But before we come to the presentation session, let me introduce me and my friends. My name is Rida Fitri Anita and I'm going to be the moderator and the first speaker. And in this meeting room, there is my friend. Her name is Naila Zulfa Kutsi as the second speaker, Fabilia Imelda as the third speaker, Wahyu Nur Hidayah as the fourth speaker, and Octavia Rodotur Jannah as the last speaker. Well, I think that's enough about the introduction session. Let's come to the next session. It will be the presentation of our material. Because I'm the first speaker, I will begin our presentation. Here it is. From the sources of observation made, the level of activeness in learning activities of students in the Office Administration Education Study Program Class 2023G is still relatively low. This can be seen when the synchronous and asynchronous learning process take place. When the lecturer has presented the material, he will definitely invite students to ask if there is something that is not understood. But only a few students from class K respond by asking or interacting. Therefore, researchers are interested in knowing what factors influence and hinder the level of participation of students in the 2023 G class Office Administration Education Study Program. Next. From Anggraini and Wulandari, student activeness in the involvement of students in the learning process in class shows their willingness to observe, ask questions, seek information, and show courage to solve problems. Next. From previous research, there are 5 factors that influence student activity. First, individual personality. 2. Learning motivation. 3. Learning confidence. 4. Learning readiness. And the last is social environmental factor. Okay, the next is Naila Zulfakutsi. Thanks is yours. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for opportunity. This slide is describe the methodology. This study use a quantitative approach with a descriptive survey design. The study population consists of Surabaya University students, especially students of the Office Administration Education, 20,000 and 23 G class, which consists of 37 student sample. The main method of collection use a questionnaire. Next slide. The next slide is factor that influence the level of student activeness. There are consists of 2 factors, including psychological factor and social factor. In psychological factor include one is student personality, 2 the influence of learning motivation, 3 readiness to learn, and the last is reason for really being active in class. And next is social factor. Number 1 is the influence of the social environment, peers and class atmosphere, and 2 is student interaction with lecture. Next slide. In this slide, describe a psychological factor analysis result. First is student personality. Research show that there are variations in student personalities, with the majority of students having an ambivert personality. The percentage is 48.6%, followed by introvert 37.8%, and extrovert is 13.5%. This personality can affect the way students interact in the classroom and their level of engagement in learning activities. Understanding student personality variation is important in designing inclusive learning strategies. Lecture can use different approaches to facilitate the participation and engagement of students with different personality types. Okay, the next slide will be continued by my friend Feby. Thank you.
Okay, here I will continue my friend explanation regarding the result of psychological analysis. Number 2, learning motivation. Most students, 97.3%, reason for participating in classroom learning activities. High learning motivation can increase student engagement in the learning process and motivate them to achieve their academic goals. Number 3, learning readiness. All students studied close to day one, which saw a high level of readiness in understanding the material and discussing in every learning session in class. This learning readiness is an important psychological factor because it can affect the level of participation and the quality of student learning. Number 4, reason for being inactive during class. Some students experience psychological obstacles such as shyness or lack of confidence, 48.6%, followed by feeling that they did not understand the material, 29.7%, and laziness, 10.8%. Shyness or lack of confidence can hinder student ability to actively participate in class discussion or answer question from lecture. Okay, my friend will explain further.
Well, thank you. Next, I will explain about the result of our research conducted with a questionnaire from Google Form. Based on the social factor analysis research, there are two factors that show that it affects their reason for not being active in class. The first one is the influence of social environment on student participant. The questionnaire results show that the majority of students, 97.3%, admit that the social environment their engagement in classroom learning. The social environment, such as the influence of peers who can have a positive influence, for example, when evening to study together and be active in class, they will tend to be influenced. Meanwhile, if peers have a negative impact, they can also be influenced. This includes also the interaction between fellow students and the classroom atmosphere and social dynamic that occur in the learning environment. The second is interact with lecture. The questionnaire results show that a total of 10.8% students were influenced by the teaching lecture factor for the reason they were active in class. This activity includes that during to ask question, answer, and give opinion. It it is related to relationship between lecturer and student teaching style, and lecturer response to student participant can affect the level of student involvement in learning. Next slide. We have to manage regarding the factors that are the reason for not being active in class. Based on the questionnaire in the Office Administration Education 2023 G class, so that the biggest factor influence the level of activity of student participant in learning is self-confidence, with reactions the majority with a percentage of 51.4, followed by learning readiness with percentage of 21.6%. Then student personality by 30.5%, and the teaching factor of 21.6%. Then I'm sorry. Well, learning motivation only contribute 5.4% on the level student participant. The next part will be explained by my friend.
Okay, thank you for the opportunity. Therefore, the conclusion from our research is that student engagement requires strategies that focus on understanding and addressing the psychological and social factors that influence their participation. This includes increasing student self-confidence and motivation to learn, as well as creating a learning environment that supports positive interaction between student and lecturer. Thus, in-class and effective learning can be implemented to support students' academic growth and psychological well-being. That's all from me. Thank you, and I hand it over to the moderator.
Okay, thank you. Well, that's all about the presentation. And now we are coming to the last agenda. It is closing. But before we close our presentation this afternoon, we are asked the presentators, especially I'm as the moderator, saying sorry if we have mistakes during presentation our material this afternoon. And the last we say, Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.